Welcome to Mighty Blog Zone, and this blog is all about how we celebrate Durga Puja in Hyderabad. Being a Bengali, this festival is very special and we all wait for it every year because this is not just a festival for us but an emotion which is very close to our heart. This is the time of the year where we get to chill and hang out with our Bengali friends, spend time with family, eat all the authentic Bengali food, and of course, do a lot of shopping to bring your fashion A game on. In Hyderabad, there are many Bengalis, and that's the reason there are many Bengali clubs, groups, and communities to celebrate Durga Puja in different pandals at various locations of the city.
So what's up, guys?
Namaskar সকলকে I'm going to talk in Bengali today because it is Shoptumi guys. So let's Shoptumi. आप ही लोग बोल लो मतलब है.
I miss those numbers of food stalls.
I miss our gang.
Every time gang. बेशी food stall नहीं है खाली.
कोई नहीं, next year हो जाए.
Yes, you heard it right. There are many food stalls and varieties of stalls in the pandals where people hawk different Bengali special dishes or shop some accessories, clothes, etc. Durga Puja, with installation of Durga idols and later immersion of idols, has over the years become a part of Hyderabad's festivities. The striking pandals at different locations in the city includes Bhog and the cultural festivities including different competitions of music, dance, tambola, then calling famous artists from Mumbai and Kolkata who would be performing for us. Dandiya and Garba is something everyone waits for every year. The instrument which is being played is known as dhak, an old percussion instrument which is a large hollow wooden instrument covered on both ends with hide. Dhak is made from the trunk of a mango tree and it is played either with bamboo sticks or hands. This instrument is slung over the shoulder, suspended from the neck or placed on the ground or lap. The instrument is often decorated with the white or multicolored feathers or traditional white flowers known as kashful. In every pandals of Hyderabad, the custom of handing out bhog, or you can call it as prasad, to everyone with no bar in caste or race. You will find the aromas of khichdi that never tasted so good in your kitchen, and it's truly a feast of gods. Durga Puja is the significance of celebrating good over evil, and this festival is a celebration of goddess Durga's triumph over demon Mahishasur by bringing the land to freedom from all evil. Durga Puja is believed to commemorate Durga's visit to her natal home with her beloved children, and this festival is preceded by Mahalaya, which is believed to mark the start of Durga's journey to her natal home. The primary celebrations begins on the 6th day, which is known as Shoshti in Bengali, on which the goddess is welcomed with rituals. The festival ends on the 10th day, which is known as Vijay Dashami, when devotees embark on a procession carrying the worshipped clay sculptured idols to a river or other water body and immerse them. This is a symbolic of goddess Durga return to the divine cosmos and her marital home with Shiva in Kailash. On the last day of the Durga Puja, married Bengali Hindu women participate in Sindur Khela and the Dhunuchi dance. During the ritual, they apply sindur, which is a sacred powder, on the forehead and feet of the goddess and offer sweets to Durga Ma, followed by applying sindur on each other's faces. So guys, it's time to say goodbye now, and this was a short vlog about Durga Puja scenes in Hyderabad. Let me know in the comments if you like this vlog so that I can make a detailed Durga Puja vlog next year, which is on 2022, so that you get to know more insight about Durga Puja celebration scenes in Hyderabad. And finally, ending this vlog, please stay safe, support me, and see you all in the next vlog.